Hi, this is Grace. Today I'm going to make Liège Waffle with a twist of adding Mung Bean Paste. This is a combination of waffle and Taiyaki. I made my own bean paste, but you can also get them in Asian market. What I have here is the mung bean paste I stored in the freezer. It's as good as fresh once you reheat it in the pan and adjust the water content. Add the water slowly and continue to mix. This is the texture you want. Now we are going to heat some milk in a small saucepan. If it's too hot to touch, wait a few minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix and let it sit for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in the same pan, heat 1 block and a half butter on low heat to melt. When the butter is heating, measure 3.5 cups of flour. I like to use scale to be consistent. It's about 420 grams. Weighing directly into the sifter will save an extra step. Add 2 eggs into the milk mixture. Lightly beat the eggs. Add melted butter into the mixture. Add 3 cups of flour into the liquid. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. It's better to use a spatula because the batter is going to become a dough. After the dough is smooth, add the remaining flour and continue to mix for about 2 minutes. Cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. You can start preheat the waffle maker 5 minutes before timer is up. Start to divide the dough to 12 pieces. Just eyeball it. Don't need to be exact. Pick up 1 ball and stretch or press into a flat circle. Scoop a big chunk of bean paste and start to wrap into the dough. Try to fit as much of bean paste as you can. The dough is very stretchy and oily. It's very easy to work with. Put the balls onto the waffle maker. I have this squared one, but you can use any shape. This one you can make 4 at a time. After the waffle maker starts to beat, open the lid. The color is so beautiful. Let's open it up. It's just like a taiyaki. The inside is filled with sweet bean paste, but the outside is like a Liège waffle without pearl sugar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.